Afitha munene ministry-ini ya urimi Ananyango uria waritie hindi ya kuruguria mubango wa Ngaza na uria worotereirio guthomithia arimi njira huthu na cia kiriu cia urimi augite ikinya ria mbere riria marongoreirie gukinyaniria ni gwikirira urito tabarira cia urimi wa guitiriria mai.
In Kenya we have a potential of over 1 million hectares to irrigate, but at the moment we are only doing about not even 50% of the total potential that we have for irrigation. So we are looking at enhancing irrigation to help us to increase production and productivity.
Anyango ningi ni augite itemi ria gukinyaniria kioneki giki thirikari riu iramurika uria kugacirithia urimi wa mimera ario mbembe, waru, mucere umwe na muhia na kuria magukorwo magithundura mithemba mieru ya mimera iria gukorwo ino hoti wa gwetiria ugaruruku wa riera.
The government proposes to adopt a blending proposal, maybe even legislated, so that we don't have just maize. We are only always crying about maize, but we are able to boost the production of sorghum, millet, cassava, and blend it with maize so that you stretch whatever is produced.
Ningi ni ugite ni mararutithania wira na njira ya hakuhi na ruhonge rwa gutabania uthuthuria rwa Kalo hamwe na university iri gukorwo igithomithania maundu ma urimi na niguo kuona uria mangihota kuhimbiria teknology njeru muno makiria urimi wa kiriu wa GMO.
We have to embrace science, but in the safest possible way, because you've heard here the company is doing a lot of research to make the chemicals, the agrochemicals safe. We must also look at research and see how GM technology can be adopted in the safest possible way.
Mubango uyu wa Ngaza uthunduritwo ni kambuni ya uthondeki wa dawa cia urimi ya BASF unyitanirire na ministry ya urimi na uratanywo kunora arimi makiria kuma icigo-ini iria iremagwo mbembe na ngano uria mangihota kuhimbiria urimi wa kiriu na niguo kuona faida makiria. Muigai wa Gathungu, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.